Yep. That's how I roll, bro. Ain't nothing to it. Not bad for a body, man. I used to fucking cook, dude. I don't fucking play. Fuck no. Except for that loud ass fucking fan. That motherfucker's playing me right there. No, that's not all the bread, dude. It's fucking bread. So don't fucking get nervous. I'm gonna get nervous if I don't get some cheese on this motherfucker, though. I know that. Let's see. Cheese. Shredded cheese or sliced cheese? Yeah. Ooh, some mild cheddar. Fucking fancy. Finally. Oh, okay. Oh, it's fancy. It's finally. Hang on, dude. Don't go nowhere. Ready for this? Yeah. Yeah, you ready? You watching, Ron? Boop. Hell yeah. Fucking right.